Hello again. The sharkC64 language has now function bodies. Let's have a look. Here is a module that defines two functions. The first function paints the word Commodore with light green on the screen. The second function paints the word basic with light red on the screen. The main body then calls these functions in sequence. At the moment, the language does not support parameters, internal variables or return values for the functions. Because of this, the example functions use variables that are defined in the module body. Also, recursion is not allowed. The function bodies may, however, call other functions. For all these reasons, the functions in this release are called merely function bodies. Let's run the program to see how it works. The compilation of function bodies does not bring anything new to the sharkC64 language. Let's have a look at the paint Commodore function. This function is parsed and bound to an object graph just like any other statements in the sharkC64 language. After binding, the function body is translated to the intermediate representation language. This is done by using instructions that exist already in the language. As for the function calls, they are translated to similar calls in the intermediate representation language. The bytecode generation from the intermediate representation is also using existing generator functions. In this case, the bytecode generation results in an assembler code like this. So that is what the function bodies look like in the sharkC64 language. Next, I'll start adding two-dimensional byte arrays. Until then, thanks for stopping by and see you soon!